Setting up a code formatter ensures that all developers see the same code format, maintaining consistency across the project. A formatter automatically applies predefined rules for indentation, spacing, line breaks, braces, brackets, parentheses, and commas, eliminating discrepancies caused by individual coding styles. This not only improves readability and maintainability, but also streamlines collaboration by preventing unnecessary formatting changes in version control systems, making diffs and merge conflicts easier to manage. You can use predefined rules or create and save custom formatting rules to match your team's coding standards. By configuring a formatter to align with best practices or team guidelines, developers can focus on writing clean and efficient code without worrying about manual formatting.